Hello, my name is Rajana. In this video, I will explain the sum function, create dropdown, and the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. I calculate the total mark of student and I use two methods. Firstly, I calculate all the mark of student plus all the cell one by one. And secondly, I use the sum function. Equal plus all the cell one by one. Press enter. Double click. Now I use the sum function. Equal. Select on sum function. Select on the mark of four subject. Close parenthesis and press enter. Click and scroll down. Now I click on the drop down in a cell of student ID. Click on a cell of student ID. Click on data. Click on data validation. Select on list. Click on source. Select on student ID. This is the source code that I select from the table of student ID. Click on OK. This is the drop-down list of the student ID. I select some student ID, but not appear the mark of the student. So now I use the VLOOKUP function. Equal. Click on the VLOOKUP function. This is the lookup value, so I select from the list of student ID. Comma. This is the table array, meaning that I select all the table. Comma. Pull the num, meaning that which one the table that you want to show the number. So I insert the number 6 on the total mark of the student. Comma. Select on for exact mark. Close parenthesis and press enter. ID number 5. ID number 10. And ID number 1. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you again in my next video. If you have any question, please write in the comment below.